celebrate. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here, a celebration.